Hello Lefty Wannabes and welcome to my channel, Right Left Hand. Today is maintenance 12, the end of June, the end of the first half of the year. So let's go ahead and get started. Gonna write over in the left hand margin, maintenance 12, or technically it's maint 12, 2019. One thing I'm going to try and do this time is write this uppercase alphabet a little bit smaller. Conserve some space and whatnot. The good thing about this paper is it's college rule, so it is smaller than wide rule, so it does force me to write, smaller, and it looks like I'm not really writing too much smaller as of right now. But yeah, I've always been a fan of college rule over wide rule because you can fit way more words. It's way more accessible and easy to use than wide rule, because with wide rule, if you're taking notes and stuff or just writing, you have way less room to say what you want to say. I mean, the good thing is, sure, you can write bigger, but I'd rather write more content. Yeah, so that's usually what I prefer, is thinner lines that are presented to me here on this paper. Alright, and now I'll go ahead and finish up with the numbers. So going 1 through 10. And then that'll be it. I mean, there'll still be a few more things left in June, but we're almost at July, which is over the halfway point. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Come back next week to practice, or next month, depending on time frame. It's always hard to tell. And that's it. Alrighty, goodbye.